And then what we'll do is take some of the brown and kind of make a cord to make the window frame. So it makes sense, because right now it looks kind of weird. So take the fondant, start to make a cord. Roll from the center out, center out. When I get to about here, then I use the fondant paddle to make it even. So I need one piece at the bottom. That's a tiny bit long. And then one piece would come inside here. Okay, so it's like the window frame. Okay. Now if I want to, I could actually add a little, add some window boxes there, which you probably won't end up seeing them, that we'll put some flowers in them, you'll end up seeing the flowers. So to do that, to put window boxes underneath, take the same color and then start to roll it this way. And we'll make it long enough so it'll be for both of them. Then I can just flatten it like this. Flatten this way, flatten this way. And it's a little long. Okay, and then take our wood again. What I'm going to do here to help support that is actually just take a couple pieces of spaghetti, pull it back off, put a little water at the top so where it touches that other piece of fondant will be good there. Like I said, we're going to have some flowers right here, so where that spaghetti's sticking out, I can just put a little flower over it. But you need something to hold it up, and don't use toothpicks. Use at least something edible or pretzel stick or something. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. And let's see, the only thing that I think looks funny is this, compared to this one, needs one around it also. The window frame, even though it's open when you, this window would still be inside that, so makes it look kind of weird. So we'll just go ahead and do another one. Only take a second. Go from down here all the way over and cut it off over here on this side. Perfect.